I hate intros. I'm gonna be honest with you, they suck. They suck big time. This is what we're doing today. We're getting all that interior out. All the stuff we put in their last video, we're taking it out. If you didn't see the last video, that's okay. Welcome to the channel if this is your first time. I'm T Kirk Media, I'm your host. We got PD Boy over there. He's gonna be on the camera as usual today. This will be his second time or third time. He's doing pretty all right, he's solid. So we've got two Imprezas here, both NA, not NA. Well, this one was swapped, this one's always blown up, but we're gonna be taking interior, swapping stuff around to this car and from this car and so forth. So first we're gonna get to that.
Surreal.
It's probably gonna be harder to get the carpet out of this car because I don't think it's been taken out before. But some things I didn't show that I didn't have to do that weren't done. Gotta take these plastic trim pieces off. And then if you go up in here under the door, under the floorboard, there's like an actual plastic piece that goes into the floor. I took that out when I did the swap first time, so it's gone. Panels over here. Any panels that you think is holding the carpet in. Also these guys. I bought one of these kits. Let's see how this does. Let's just do it real quick. It's in here. Because these things like to break. So I wanted to try to save these clips. See how we did. Yeah, it ain't bad. That works. Cool. So kind of a little bit of what's in store for you if you end up taking your carpet out of your GC. These ones are also here. I didn't actually get these either. I'm really happy with how this tool is actually working. Like, it's not breaking them. Normally I'll take a flathead and snap part of that lid off right off the top and be half the man it used to be. So good investment. Nylon pry bar installer kit. Sure won't be the last time I use this. Next step, I'm gonna take these speakers out because they're disgusting looking. They gotta go.
Seth got the waves.
Coming from the next lane.
I don't even know what I just walked into, honestly. What kind of macaroni and cheese you got going on in here, dude? What the heck? I don't know how. I hope I can get this out pretty easily. This is disgusting, honestly, what this is. This is interesting. This is some true ingenuity. Jiminy Criminy Christmas.
Just like threw mac and cheese on that.
Yeah, he threw it in there. This is turning into something else. See, I always got to buy a car with a little bit of spice to it with the stuff going on in here. This is truly awesome that we're coming across this stuff. But I didn't realize those were that in there, whatever's going on. I took all these screws out. I'm worried about... Okay, and there's some... Holy cow, there's housing insulation in there. Wow! Someone really liked methamphetamines that owned this car like years back, because I'm at a loss for words at this point.
Too easy on some other shit. Coming from the next lane.
Holy cow. Like,
Looks like an explosive
oh,
device.
man. That's an ending to the video that I wanted. Right there. This. You know, I could hit you with it like... Alright. Petey, thanks for the help filming. He's been great today. That was... Wow. It's a little warmer out. I'm soaked from pressure washing the gross carpets. I got housing insulation, duct tape. There's bits of duct tape. That's what he used to coat the inside. I thought, oh, maybe he used like some kind of blanket or fiber stuff. No, he just... And then this, I don't know what's going on. This right here, just like pad. I don't know what it's for. But, damn. That's a video. T Kirk Media. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram for more. All kinds of GC8 swap stuff in store.